How you can fix battery drain on your iPhone. In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can fix battery drainage on your iPhone. The first thing, guys, I'm going to be telling you is to avoid closing your application when you're still going to still open it. So do not be closing your application like this. Just let it be the way it is. This is the best way you can save your battery. The second thing, guys, I want you to do is the next thing you should do is to go to your settings. When you click on your settings, search for where it says background. When you see background, click on where it says background app refresh. Click on that. When you click on that, please make sure it's turned off. Or you can put it to Wi-Fi. But for me, for my case, I like it turned off. The next thing you should do if you want to save your battery drainage. Another thing you should do is to go ahead and look for where it says location. Search for location. When you search for location, click on where it says location services. When you click on that, make sure it's all on while using. Go ahead and scroll down, click on where it says system service. Here, guys, you can go ahead and turn off all this. Just go ahead and turn off all this. I have it on because I am using it for something personal, so that's why it's turned on. But for your case, you don't need all this, so just go ahead and turn it off. Turn everything off. You can just leave the one that are very important. For your case, you can just go ahead and turn off this totally. Doing a verification, that's why my location is on. I have to leave my location on for the verification process. But for your case, if you want to save your battery, go ahead and turn it off. The next thing you should do is to go ahead and off Siri. I don't know why you're using Siri. Just go ahead and off Siri because your phone is constantly listening to you when your Siri is on. So just go ahead and off it. Search for where it says Siri. When you search for Siri, go to where it says Siri and search. Click on that. Go ahead and turn it off. Where it says listening for, click on that and click on where it says off. Turn it off. You don't need it, guys. The last thing I will suggest is for you to put your phone on dark mode. Do not, if you're on white mode, please put it on dark mode for you to save your battery because the white mode will drain more of your battery. So just go ahead and put it on the dark mode. This is how you can save your battery from drainage. I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel. See you on the next one.